Oh!
Welcome to the Our Place Test Kitchen. This is Meals from Memory, a series where we ask the best chefs we know for their go-to can't-fail recipes. Eric, what are we making today?
We're making my mom's famous Tinga de Pollo. We got some cilantro, the star of the show, rotisserie chicken.
Ooh, that's a hack. And this was a request from me, extra cheese.
The chipotle in adobo sauce. This is the key ingredient. We're using pre-made rotisserie chicken. It's pretty important to this recipe. Now, this is my mom's famous recipe. My mom is Miss Do-It-All. She would always go to work and then, come back home really quick to make me some food. This was my favorite recipe of hers. It was like quick and convenient.
What if I wanted to make this from scratch?
Yeah, you would just want to get some boneless chicken breast and boil it in some boiling hot water. I like to season the water with some salt, some garlic, a bay leaf. Just cook it until it's nice and tender.
And then shred it?
And then shred it, yeah.
I have some people in my life who refuse to cook raw chicken.
Oh my God, me too.
Right?
Yes.
And they can do this, so
yes.
No more excuses, guys.
No more excuses. Perfect, so now we're gonna switch over and start cooking our tomatoes. So cooking the tomatoes is something that I kind of started doing on my own. My mom doesn't necessarily do this. We just want to cook it for about 60 seconds. As you can see, it's already kind of peeling off. Okay, we're just going to remove it super fast. There you go. All right, perfect. So I think they've cooled down. We can start peeling the skin.
Easy. You know what I love about this recipe? It's you've chosen shortcuts where they don't impact the taste. But then you're really taking your time with the things that do make a difference to the flavor.
All right, perfect. Now we're gonna make the sauce, the chipotle sauce. You could handle heat, right?
I'm Pakistani. You have not had spice until you've had lal mirch.
All right, we'll see. We're gonna be using chipotle peppers from a can, but you can also make this at home.
If you're feeling adventurous, we're gonna show you how to make it from scratch.
Let's start cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna saute some onions. Do you like onions?
I love onions. We use a lot of onion, garlic, and tomato in Pakistani food, which is very similar to Mexican food, right?
Yes.
Do you have a trick yet for not crying when you cut your onions?
You know what? I heard that you can add like some water, like a wet paper towel.
I tried that, it didn't work.
It didn't work?
No.
Yeah, it didn't work for me either.
I've tried goggles, the wet paper towel. Have you heard of the one of the toothpick between your teeth?
No, wait.
None of them work. None of them work.
Wait, what is the toothpick between?
I think you're supposed to have a toothpick between your teeth. Am I making this up? I just cry. Just go as fast as I can and then I go and wash my face.
Same. So I like to cook this until they're nice and translucent. I mean, sometimes it can take a few minutes.
So I've never tried chipotles in adobo sauce.
You haven't?
I haven't. I think I'm gonna give it a taste. We might need a glass of milk handy.
How is it?
It's good.
It's good?
It's spicy. It's vinegary too.
Yeah,
It's rich, smoky. Because it's not just adding spice, right? It's adding salt and vinegar. It's adding a bunch of flavor.
Yeah. So now that you've tried it, how many peppers should we add?
For that much chicken?
Yes.
3.
3?
Yeah?
All right.
What would you have done?
I would have done 3.
3? Okay. We're aligned.
We're aligned. Add in the tomatoes. We're gonna cook this together until the tomatoes get nice and juicy. It becomes like a sauce. Okay, we're also gonna add in the garlic. Do you like garlic?
Love garlic.
I love garlic.
Don't love what it does to my breath.
Same. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and let this cook for a few minutes until it gets nice and juicy. Perfect. Tomatoes look nice and juicy. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add in the chipotle peppers. You said 3, right?
3, let's
All right.
do it.
Let's cut them into bite-sized pieces.
I start to dump these in.
Yeah, let's add those. Gonna make sure it's nice and combined. Now we can add in the chicken. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in the chicken stock. So we wanna add in about a cup.
I love that we're adding more flavor to rotisserie chicken.
Right? And just let this cook together for a few minutes.
Ooh. If the tomatoes aren't tomatoey enough, you can add tomato paste.
Yeah, you can add some tomato paste.
How much?
I like to do, I mean, it depends, but I'll do like about 2 tablespoons. It really helps enhance the tomato flavor. Perfect.
It's ready. Can you smell that? So good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Let's get some bread.
All right, let's do it.
Looks really
It
good.
looks delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's perfect.
So good.
Your mom's my superhero.
She's mine too.
If you're looking for the perfect weeknight recipes, that's what we're going to be bringing you every week. Weeknight recipes from the best chefs that are easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe.